There's some more Hart stuff. I think they clearance out the little things just to lure you into there to buy other things. So this is a little adapter. I think they had this thing normally like over $12 or something stupid like that. Maybe even 18. And then a lot of stores dropped them to 9. Along with these, this sits like right next to it. This dropped to 9. And some stores had them both for 5. So let's see what it does. And one thing to note is I see stores now have this at $6.84, which is not a clearance price. So it's like they lowered the price to see if they would sell. And then, I don't know. That's a weird, $6.84 is not a normal price. You can go look at all your Walmart interpreters and what the .84, the 84 cent means. And have fun with that. But clearance stuff is usually 00. Usually. Not always. Different managers do different things. They don't all stick to certain rules. So the 84 cent thing, and you know, this one's 99 cents and this is going to happen. It's not true for all Walmarts. So here's this. It's got two 2.1 chargers. So this must be the negative. Or I don't know. There's only 2 leads for those two. Let's put this on here so you can have this. So USB. Why did it turn off? Fully charged. I guess one good thing about this is it lets you connect to a battery. You'll see if it's fully charged or not. Or if you connect the battery up to this, you don't know. You don't know. Why is this thing so damn close? Man, I gotta adjust my thingamajigger. So I guess one good thing is to let you see if the battery is full or not. So anyway, let's see. What it does for charging. Why did that turn on? Did it detect me putting that in? Because I did not put that in that far. Alright, so let's see what this is at. It's saying 55%. But this also has a shot battery. All my throwaway phones have shot batteries. So we're at 55. I want that to go up to 56. Did I do a video on this with the replacement home button that has no thumbprint on it? I can't recall. I know we're at 56, so let's see how long it takes to go to 57. Yeah, I can't recall if I did a video about that home button replacement for an iPhone 7 Plus, etc. Already at 57. All right, that's not useful. I think this. Well, I know the battery in this phone is shot, and I also know the battery in this phone is shot. Oh, well, this one's also at 92, so that's not good. Already at 58. Yeah, there's no way that's charging that fast. Let's see what happens over here. I mean, I suppose that, no, I don't think that's possible for that phone. They charge that fast. Wait, wasn't this just at 92? Alright, now it's 92. I mean, normally it would take it at least a minute and a half to go to the 93. You hold this in, will it turn off? How did it drop? Oh, it did turn off. Oh, cool. Uh-oh. I wonder if it's 2.1 amp on both sides. This is only a 2.5 amp battery. No, 2 amp battery. Oh, it is 20 volts. Still 92. I think usually over 90, the phone slow charges. Wow, what was that? Ducks. There's ducks in the house. '93. I don't know. So anyway, I guess that's a 2.1 charge. And looks like you could do this and then hold it in and it'll turn off. Yep. Turn it on. Yep. So that's pretty cool. Well, let's destroy it. OMG. So, yeah, if you can get them, maybe $684 is a good price. Over $5 for this. I mean, it's definitely a better price than what it was at, which was just stupid. So, there you go. Did I show the UPC? I know. These serial numbers are just so stupid on these Hart products. They don't mean anything. It actually matches on this one. That's rare. All other things, the serial numbers don't even match. It's crazy. All right, well, there you go. Get away from me, you robot.